I found out my parents are gold diggers 25 years too late. When I left for college, my mom hugged me and whispered, "Don't call unless it's an emergency." I thought she was joking. When the semester ended, I called them. "This number is no longer in service." Panic set in. I called my grandmother. She sighed and said, "They moved. I'm not allowed to give you their new number until you graduate." Then she hung up. I was stuck. No backup, no money. I sold my books, my laptop, my coat, slept in a shelter for weeks. Eventually, I found a job, budgeted like crazy, 20% for food. The rest went into saving. Fast forward 25 years. I'm now VP at a software firm. Last month, I saw my mom in a coffee shop. She froze. I didn't. Later, she invited me to dinner. I went. I wanted answers. Over wine, my dad said, "We cut you off because you were chasing computers. You were supposed to be an accountant." I just stared and said, "Well, that computer hobby made me a millionaire." Then, dead serious, my mom leaned forward and said, "We did raise you. So we were thinking 2 million would be fair." I smiled, not out of kindness, and said, "Sure, as soon as you refund me for 25 years of silence."